New Balance continues to impress with fresh designs while honoring its rich heritage. The 99X series and classic runners have long cemented the brand's reputation, but New Balance keeps pushing boundaries with new silhouettes, archive-inspired releases, and creative mashups. One standout in recent years has been the New Balance 1000, a model that has gained momentum thanks to collaborations with top names like Joe Freshgoods, KITH, and Aime Leon Dore. Now entering its third year, the 1000 returns with the Oregano edition, featuring a mesh and leather upper fully wrapped in an eye-catching green shade. A black midsole with vibrant accent details adds contrast, keeping the design simple yet striking. Fans of the brand and sneaker collectors alike can expect this release to drop soon on NewBalance.com and at selected retailers, priced at $150. Whether you're a longtime follower or new to New Balance, the 1000 Oregano is a fresh addition worth checking out.